Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you are trading on Deriv and looking for a way to automate your success, today's video is exactly what you need. Many of you have asked for a reliable way to trade without staring at charts all day. Today, I am going to show you how I use PivotCore.net, a powerful auto trading platform designed specifically for Deriv. We aren't just talking about theory. I've set a goal today to take 10 trades and win at least 9 of them using the digit differ strategy. Let's dive in and see how automation can change your trading game. First, let's talk about the platform. PivotCore is an advanced automated trading tool that connects directly to your Deriv account. The beauty of this system is that it removes human emotion, the biggest enemy of any trader. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, PivotCore simplifies the process. It offers various bots and strategies, but today we are focusing on one of the most consistent performers, the digit differ strategy. This platform is built to execute trades with precision, speed, and logic that manual trading simply can't match. Now, watch closely as I set up the parameters. For the digit differ strategy, our goal is to predict a digit that won't appear. It sounds simple, but when you combine it with the algorithmic analysis provided by PivotCore, your probability of winning skyrockets. I've configured the bot to target a specific sequence. You can see how user-friendly the interface is. Everything is transparent, and you have full control over your stake and risk management. This is why so many Deriv traders are moving toward PivotCore for their daily sessions. Alright, the bot is running. As you see on the screen, the execution is instant. We are aiming for 10 trades in this session. Notice how the bot waits for the perfect market condition before entering a trade. This isn't gambling, it's data-driven trading. We just cleared the first 5 trades, all wins. The digit differs approach on this platform allows for a very high success rate because the margin for error is